the tip of this point here. Should be at the tip of this point here, but the tip of your point is over here. So,
so it's cockeyed a
yeah,
little bit.
it's moved in this damper assembly.
I see. So that's when you say it's out of phase. That's what that means.
Yeah, because what we want ideally is we want this U-joint to be in the same plane as this U-joint, and it's not. You know, if I put this U-joint straight up, this one's a few degrees off to the right. So it can create a little bit of vibration. I think it's a little bit over emphasized. People get a little excited about that. Yeah, it's not ideal. It's not what you want. But I've seen a lot of drive shafts and other models that aren't indexed correctly, and people have been riding them like that for a long time. So I think it's just not an ideal situation, and ideally you have your U-joints indexed correctly, and when they go out of phase a little bit, you can get some vibration. So this is designed like an automotive drive shaft, so that it is field serviceable. So first of all, the U-joints can be greased. Secondly, they're held in just like the U-joints on my Toyota truck, you know, or any typical automotive application. You remove the circlips and you press the U-joint out, you know, and you can replace it. And that's
now,
true
can
on
these
both
become
ends.
out of phase also?
There is some damping material in here. They give you, this is the other thing that's nice about it, is if that happens, if you have some wear inside the damper assembly in here, they give you a new set of damper rubbers. So you pop this circlip out, slide it apart, slide the new pieces in, and put it back together.
And that's it.
It comes with a new circlip as well. Yeah, if you look at this type of manufacturing and then you compare it to the OEM, the issue with the OEM is this is not serviceable. There are people on the market who are taking these apart and putting polyurethane in here, but it's not something you can do yourself.
Right.
And then the U-joints, you know, this is not designed to be serviceable. The U-joints are just staked in. So you can't take it apart. A guy who rebuilds drive shafts can, and he can install these nice LB U-joints. These are LB made in Germany. It's the best stuff that is out there that we could find. The manufacturer was also out there looking for the best stuff. Large heavy-duty trunnions inside. These can be put in here also, but because it's not designed for it, the rebuilder will weld a piece on here to hold the U-joint in place. So if the U-joint needs to be replaced in the future, that has to be removed.
Put them side by side so you can just kind of see the difference. So there they are, side by side. OEM.
This is OEM, and this is the rebuildable unit. Also, these pieces are available separately. So if a U-joint fails, and there's something wrong with this knuckle, if it loses its interference fit, this part's available separately, whereas this from BMW is not. None of these parts are available separately, so it's non-serviceable.
You have to buy the whole assembly.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.